Hello friends, good morning. Today I'm in the midst of the forest again, a nice jungle atmosphere, just relaxing nicely. I just want to share you one thing, people want to relax, people want to visit their loved ones, and people want to celebrate their life. This is actually required, everybody want to celebrate life, everybody want to be with nature, and they want to see the open sky like this, and they want to get absorbed in the nature and absorbed in the people around. So thing is that most of the time what is happening, people are moving to the places of their loved ones in the weekends. I just received a call from one of my friends and I asked him, hey, where are you? Guy, where are you? He was telling, hey, I'm spending my time with my loved ones, my relatives' house. I'm at relatives' house and I'm having a good time. So I had to ask him one thing. Oh, that's very great. You're having a very fun moment at your friend's house, and I want to share, I want to see that happiness in your face. I want to see the pictures of the celebration which you are going with them. So can you share those pictures, because I want to see you enjoying, I want to see you, having a good time with them. So he was telling that actually they are very much busy with their own work. So I'm just sitting at one side and all. So I told him that one thing, you feel the other person is, you're going to one place, you're going to one place, and you most of the times you find that, your presence is not being recognized. Still, you make an attempt to go to that place again and again, again and again. I don't understand, what is that you're going to seek there. I'm just telling you one thing, the person who does not find happiness within himself will not be able to find happiness outside. It will take a lot of time to understand. See, I am being reassuring you, I'm being, reiterating on the same point that, a person who does not find happiness in himself cannot find happiness in others' life. So if you, lot of the time, in weekends and some other days, we choose a spots where we want to go. Okay, maybe it is our relative's house, mother's house, or, maybe some of the distant relatives' house, wherein you get some talk, fresh talk to, discuss with them. So what will happen is over a period of time, they will also not be able to enjoy these moments with you. Why? Because they are not so much elevated people who can entertain you again and again. What will happen that inside of them, they'll have a feeling which they are unable to express with you. Even you go there, your value will be not there. They'll not recognize your presence. It happened many times, in my life also. I was visiting one house at one friend's house. After 6 months of time, what happened is, the person who did not wake up, he did not, I did not see that welcoming mindset in him. He was just see and he say hi, and, he was sitting in the couch. So I told to myself from that day, I'll only go to the people who are spiritually connected and elevated. Because what will happen, the society is tuned in such a way and the mind is tuned in such a way, it does not value the people so much. So only the people who are spiritually elevated and spiritually connected, such kind of people can really recognize your value. Else, other people will actually devalue your presence, and you're actually losing your importance going there, visiting them again and again. So in order to keep your value, restrict your movements to certain places only. Don't go every time to a single place again and again. What will happen is over a period of time, the people will start devaluing your presence. So don't take your movements or presence to so much extent, so that you're easily available. So what happens is that, I'll just tell you one thing. If you're easily accessible to people, what will happen is that, people will devalue you. They don't want to value the people who are easily available, though they don't understand that actually you value their relationship. The small minds don't understand that you value their relationship. What they think is that you are easily available and accessible to them. Though you are busy, and most of the times you give time to your loved ones. So, but your availability, your time giving sense is actually misunderstood by them as that you are available. So anytime you are going to some persons, some relatives, make sure that you are not easily available to them all the time. So what is happening is that over a period of time, you may devalue yourself. So better go to them, visit them, talk to them over phone, and make an appointment wherein your availability is quite limited. Your presence is quite limited, and over a period of time, when the value develops to a level when they seek you always again and again, then you, in heart of hearts, that they seek your value and they seek your presence. At that time, you can get associated with them on a regular basis. Till the time, I don't think you should visit any of your friends or relatives house. Don't make it a routine visit to the friends and a relative's house in the weekend, make it a scarce one so that your value is given. So respect yourself, respect your value, and see that people are actually giving a lot of importance to your presence. People are feeling your presence, and also they are able to give time to you when you are going there and visiting them. So see you friends. This is Umakant, your life coach and mentor. We'll talk about these nice topics of life in my upcoming videos. See you.